Alright, we're out here at the CNC. I'm going to go ahead and import that JPEG that we created. Sorry, trying to look through the phone screen reading this. Not working out too well. So I got my JPEG on my desktop, and on the NC Studio you have to go into what I call the back end of the program. This side of the program you can actually draw lines and create cut files right here on the CNC's computer. I never have, but you can. So I'm gonna go right here, import JPEG file. It'll be right here on your desktop. Open it up, and on this setting it should be set already, but just give you a quick look at my settings I have, if it'll focus. If you have anything that has inside contours, like it won't do like holes because it always cuts on the line, but if you have like a person standing there and their arm is cocked to the side and it's going to cut out the inside of their arm, between the arm and body, you know, you want to just go here and go inside contour, which I always have it set inside contour. Really doesn't matter. Okay, and then we're going to import it. Okay, imported, everything recognized. I'm sorry this quality is horrible, but right here on this bottom left, I use the bottom left of my machine to zero out. So usually it'll automatically bring this little crosshatch in, and that's where your zero is going to be. When you set it, it's going to use that as your zero. And if it doesn't, if it's off, all you have to do is just come up here to this corner piece and drag it and line it up, and that'll line up your zero. Next, you want to select all your photo marks. I always use the little menu over here. It's a lot easier than selecting it on the screen, but you can select it on the screen. Right click, you go mark valid, because those are valid registration marks. I'm going to go through here, I'm going to select everything else and deselect my photo marks. Right click on my images that I want to cut, and I'm going to hit process, because that's what we're going to process. Go back over here to your layers, select all objects, right click, group, and then save it. And you can literally just hit a couple of letters. I don't ever put a name on here because I delete it after I cut it, and save it. Minimize your back end and you're loaded up on the front end.